Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the topic of how to use format painter in Word document. First of all, we have to open our Word document, then do a format painter in your documents. For example, if your boss asks you to apply this kind of format, uh, it means one line many changes have applied, and your boss asks you the task that these changes apply to the whole document, which contain minimum 100 pages. Then it is impossible to apply all the changes in minimum time. So we have to use format painter. So today we will discuss how to use format painter. First of all, uh, with the example, I teach you that if document is, for example, this is the document, this is the line in which all changes are applied. So we apply all changes here, then apply to the all documents. For example, we bold it, we go to font page and apply bold, italic, underline and text background. So these line changes ask your boss to apply to the whole document. Then what should you do? Then you will go to the clipboard panel in which format painter is available. Only simply click on format painter, then drag your mouse to the document. Then you can see that your cursor shape has been changed into brush. The cursor has been completely changed into brush. This brush can apply all the format changes to the document. First of all, we apply to any paragraph here. First of all, we select this paragraph and free it. You can see the changes have been automatically applied. So we select it again, then we'll go to format painter, then apply to the any document, any word files. So you can see that colors, even colors is applied to the next lines you have used to format there. So this is the lecture. Hope so you will like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.